today, and I love it. Thank you for recommending it. You're welcome, Nancy. I told you guys that mule cut is a really cool chain. I've never seen mule cut before. So this one, for the comment sold 116, $29.99. Again, you're getting cultured freshwater food, and then it's simulated crescent moon with 2 simulated diamonds. It is going to be 16 to 18 inches. You are applying your coupon code SAVE25 at checkout, which makes this $22.
No. Let go. Let go. Sharing's caring.
That right there might be the I don't know how you follow that up. Looking at 1 full inch of drop. You guys are gonna get this home and be like, what? Honestly. Like, Charlie, before this show, Charlie's not here. I was like, well, actually, after I saw them drop on the website, I was like, hey, you need to cancel this coupon code. I didn't say it in those words, but he was like, no, it's fine, we're doing it. I'm like, did you see where you did you look at the prices? Like, you can't take 25% off of something that's $24. Well, I know how much this costs. Do this. So, enjoy it, guys. And I had nothing because honestly, like when you're this affordable, it's gonna make you think that these pieces aren't very good. And that's if you guys are, my diehards are different than anything we use. The same vendors that we use all the time. All of our beautiful jewelry that this necklace would typically be.
That's right. You and me. Right now. We're having it out. Let's go. Come on.
Maybe he got happy.
Ow.
And so I eyeball this without even knowing what the price is. What the original price was, I did not look at any of this before this live, and it's $48.99. So like that's a great price for that necklace. So the fact that you're getting that, what is this? Something sterling silver. I'm working at 16. But if you're someone who loves the moon, if you're that person who just is outside driving around trying to look for it. I just love the moon. Inside the crescent moon. When you look at the full moon is so reminiscent in so many ways of the full moon just around the world. And so now you have that silhouette and that idea and that image resting in a crescent moon. It's just stunning. And the fact that it's an 18 karat gold or sterling silver too makes it look so much more expensive. So $22.50. Some bagels coming Yay! Nancy says, speaking of
Look at this idiot.